Welcome to the world of algebra, a fascinating branch of mathematics. With roots deeply embedded in history, it's a realm where abstract symbols dance with arithmetical operations. The birth of this subdiscipline is a testament to the gradual evolution of mathematical understanding. The equation, a cornerstone of algebra, has transformed over time, becoming a powerful tool in the mathematical toolkit. It's like a balance scale, maintaining harmony between two sides. Next, we have number systems, the building blocks of algebra. From natural numbers to complex ones, they form the diverse landscape of this discipline. Then there are symbols, the secret language of algebra. They convey and manipulate mathematical statements, making the abstract tangible. Lastly, there's the modern, abstract, structural view of algebra. It's like seeing the matrix, a world beyond numbers. From elementary to linear, from modern to abstract, algebra's branches reach out, each with its unique perspective. So delve into this intriguing world and let algebra unravel its mysteries to you.